Chad here with me. So Marlon bought us this letter here from the hacker saying that we have to do challenges as a punishment for invading his lair. So in this letter, the hacker told us that we have to give up $1,000 worth of our personal item and our YouTube play button, or else he's gonna delete our YouTube channel.
My play button? I love my play button. I know, this is like one of my favorite memories. My first play button.
And I just got this not too long ago, so I really don't want to destroy this. Chad, what's your $1,000 item?
So my $1,000 item that I'm choosing to risk is my iPhone X. I almost broke it in one of my last videos. I got really lucky, so hopefully I get lucky again.
So I think you should go first because it's my video and I get to decide.
Oh, okay, let's do it.
This video a thumbs up right now for good luck so we don't have to destroy our button or any of our personal items.
So the hacker sent a bunch of little slips here, so I have to put one of these slips in a box and they are challenges. So this one says, post an embarrassing photo of yourself on Instagram.
Oh, you have plenty of those, Chad.
Ooh, that's gonna be a good one.
Hopefully I don't choose that one. I'm gonna put it in this box right here.
Ooh.
Man, this hacker guy really likes messing with us. I don't know why he's making us do this. He said in the middle box I have to put my silver play button, so that's gonna go right here.
Yep, there you are. Nice.
And then in the third box I have to put my beautiful iPhone X. Don't break, please. And now he says we have to shuffle them. So V, will you do the honors of shuffling my boxes?
Of course.
And then Mystery Man says I can't look. So you guys gotta keep an eye on these boxes down below and let me know which one I should choose. So keep your eye closely on these.
All right, Marlon, can you count me down from 5?
All right, here we go, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Were you guys watching? You guys know where it is?
All right, guys, comment down below, Chad 1, Chad 2, or Chad 3. Which box should he destroy? All right, Chad, you're gonna have to break this box with a ninja weapon from this hat.
All right, let's see what I get. Something good, something good. Vampire Hunter.
Oh my gosh, Vampire Hunter.
That sounds dangerous.
Yeah, I know.
That's scary.
Here is the Vampire Hunter, guys.
Wow.
Check this baby out.
Gosh.
Marlon, have you seen anything like this before?
No, I've never seen this before.
You don't have this in your home?
No.
So it's got a handle right here that I can grip with my hand. It's got a spike right in the middle, 2 spikes up on top. But before I crush the box, I'm gonna crush a crush just to test it out, make sure it really is sharp. Give me a countdown, guys.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, let's go crush that box, I guess, huh?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, guys, we've got the 3 boxes right here. Which one should I choose? Hopefully you voted below. I'm gonna go based on what you guys said I should. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a cardboard box by the vampires. Oh my gosh! Oh no, what's in here?
Okay, so it's not your silver play button.
It went right through.
Oh my gosh!
Whoa.
Wait, I thought I heard a crack or something though. Is this in there? Oh!
Ah.
Post an Instagram photo, that's embarrassing. Well, I'm just glad I didn't have to break my phone or my silver play button. I can handle posting an embarrassing photo on Instagram. Can't believe I'm gonna post this photo on Instagram. This is gonna be so embarrassing, but if you guys wanna check this photo out, make sure to follow me, ChatWildClay, on Instagram. Here we go. Check that out after this video.
It is Marlon's turn. Marlon, what did you bring today to destroy?
So my $1,000 item is my first laptop ever. I made my videos on this. My grandpa actually gave this to me. So it means so much to me. I miss you, Grandpa. I brought this one.
Why did you bring something so valuable?
Because you said it had to be $1,000. This is like one of my only $1,000 items. I'm like, okay. And I'm afraid of the hacker, so I'm trying to make him happy. The hacker said we needed to bring my play button.
Yeah.
So I brought my 100,000 play button. This is so dear to me. This is like one of my favorite achievements ever.
The hacker sent this note that says you have to drink a whole gallon of milk.
That's expired.
Yeah,
oh
expired.
my gosh.
You have a tough choice, Marlon.
I know.
Let's put these in the boxes here.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
We'll have that laptop in there. Let's close that.
Okay.
All right.
All right, guys, in this box, there's a silver play button. This one's the laptop, and that one is the gallon of expired milk.
Oh.
All right, Marlon,
I'm so
turn
nervous.
around.
I need you to comment and help me, okay? Please.
Keep an eye on, I don't know which one.
Give me a countdown, V.
5, 4,
Oh, these are heavy.
3, 2, 1. Stop.
Comment down below, everybody. Type in Marlon 1, Marlon 2, or Marlon 3 for which one he should destroy.
But first, you gotta pick your weapon.
Oh my gosh, okay, here, I'm picking.
All right.
And this is the sledgehammer.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh, it's gonna destroy anything.
Okay, Marlon, you have to pick a choice now. Which?
Okay, I'm gonna pick this one. Here we go.
Oh!
No!
Your laptop! You gotta use a sledgehammer on that?
Oh my gosh, no!
This laptop does not stand a chance!
Sorry, Grandpa. Okay, I mean, we have to do it though, right?
Otherwise, he'll delete your channel if you don't break it.
Oh my gosh, okay.
All right.
All right, we gotta do it.
Let's do it.
Here is the sledgehammer and here is the laptop. I feel like Marlon needs to practice using the sledgehammer.
Yes.
So you should practice on some fruit like this watermelon right here.
I'm excited for this one. I'm not excited for that one, but I'm excited for this one.
Are you ready, Marlon?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's do this.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh! That was crazy. Wait, but is it fresh though? I gotta try it out.
Oh.
Best way to cut a watermelon ever.
So while you're enjoying this, just think about how you're gonna destroy your laptop, Marlon.
Oh man.
All right, let's go do this.
Goodbye, first laptop. You've done great purpose. I'll see you later. Here we go.
3, 2, 1, smash!
Oh my gosh!
Whoa!
Oh my gosh! Direct hit, guys, on my laptop.
Oh my gosh!
Oh,
Oh my
The back end!
the back is crazy.
Whoa!
There's keys everywhere. Hard drives, RAM. There's a shift key right here.
Shift key?
Oh my god, my favorite shift key. I'll keep this forever.
Our stool!
Oh no!
Oh!
I just heard the stool and the laptop. Two memorable things. No.
Our favorite stool
Oh
ever!
no!
Oh!
I'll buy you guys another one. I'm so sorry.
He's still good. We'll piece them together.
I'm very sad, but it's okay. It's for a good cause, you know, because we would have to all delete our channels if I didn't do it.
That's right.
So this is bigger than me.
I guess I'll go next. This box here, I'm gonna put my silver play button in.
Silver play button.
It fits so perfectly. Wow.
Yeah, my personal item that costs more than $1,000 is my iPad Pro. I do not want to break this at all.
I know, that's scary.
I'm gonna put this in the middle box.
Dun dun dun, okay.
Keep your eye on this box, everybody, so she doesn't break it.
And then in this box, if I pick it, I have to be shot by a slime gun.
That's not too bad.
Not too bad, but I prefer to not destroy or get anything. I wish that one was empty. Marlon, will you shuffle?
Okay, here we go.
You ready?
Yes.
5.
Oh my gosh.
4.
I didn't need so fast.
3.
Around the back.
Wow. 2. 1. And a 0. All right, guys, vote down below which one you want V to choose. Do you want her to choose V1, V2, or V3? Now you need to pick a weapon out of the hat, V. Wait,
What?
that's not a ninja weapon.
This is not a ninja weapon.
Tesla.
Tesla?
I mean, it's pretty quiet. It could be a ninja weapon.
That's true.
Ninjas could drive in it quietly and
Very
then pop out and be like, "Wah!"
That means I have to drive over one of these boxes?
Yep, that's what you gotta do.
Oh my
my
gosh!
gosh.
I just got this Tesla, you guys. Oh, I really have to pick really carefully then.
Which one you gonna go with?
Okay,
V?
I'm looking at the comments and I feel like you guys are voting V1.
Yeah?
So I'm gonna listen to you guys and I'm gonna do this one.
All right, let's see
Okay.
what's in it. Open it up, V.
So I hope it's the slime in here
Yeah.
and not my silver plate
Me
button.
too.
Yeah.
Oh no!
What is it?
What is it?
Oh no!
my
You have to break your iPad Pro!
Oh,
There's a battery in that. That's so scary.
Hope it doesn't explode.
I know it could.
You ready to go run it over?
No.
And we've got the Tesla. V is inside. You're gonna drive over, you're gonna do a test by driving over the
cantaloupe?
This is, how many pounds is this, John?
6,000 pounds.
6,000 pound Tesla about to crush this cantaloupe.
Marlon's gonna record the slow.
Yes.
I've got a cantaloupe down here. We're gonna see how good of a ninja weapon this Tesla really is. V, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Count me down, Chad.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh
my gosh.
That made a crazy sound. If you guys couldn't hear that, it sounded like this.
It's like a flat peel now. Look what you did to it. I did not expect that at all. She basically like peeled the cantaloupe with a car. Hacks.
Where's that iPad at, V?
I don't know. I don't know where it is.
You better get that iPad out.
Oh, I was trying to hide it from you guys.
I know you were.
say goodbye to your iPad Pro.
Yeah, I don't want my channel deleted. So
yeah. It's better this than V's channel.
That's true.
Right where the cantaloupe was. Oh my gosh. Wouldn't it be cool if it just ran over this and it didn't break?
This thing is 6,000 pounds. I think it might break.
I think so. All right, V, you ready?
Goodbye, iPad.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh, two wheels!
Double.
Oh, she stopped on top of it.
Stopped on top of it.
Can you get it up? Can you get it up?
I can't.
Oh, it's stuck.
Okay.
V, back up.
Back up.
Yeah, you're on top of it.
Oh my gosh. I just heard it cracking.
I heard it cracking. You ready to see your iPad?
Oh no. Okay.
All right, V, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's see this thing. It actually looks pretty good.
Oh wow, it looks not bad.
It just looks dirty.
Oh.
Wait, so does it still work, V? Give it a test. See if it turns on.
Works.
Oh, it still works! It still works! iPads are invincible!
iPads are crazy!
I can't believe that!
Alright you guys, we really need your help with the hackers, so please go check out Chad's video over here and check out Marlon's videos over here, because if you don't watch it, the hacker's gonna make us delete our videos. Shout out to you notification ninjas who show up in the first hour whenever I upload. Your comments are right here, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel right here, and I will see you over on both of their videos right now, okay?